Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas and New Year. We thank God for life and good health. We thank Him for ushering us into the year 2024. So guys, my village people visited me and I decided to give them this special treat of Cocoyam Fufu. Have you tried this before? Not to worry, if you have not tried this, just sit tight and watch this video till the end as you are going to learn how to make Cocoyam Fufu. It is so delicious and very nice. It can go with any Nigerian soup of your choice. So stay put and keep watching. Thank you.